Welcome back, tech enthusiast. I'm thrilled to kick off our brand new series on Angular 16. I'm Akash, and today we are diving into the exciting world of Angular 16. Angular has gained immense popularity among developers, and with the release of Angular 16, it has become even more powerful and feature rich. Whether you are a beginner or just starting your journey in web development, or an experienced developer looking to upgrade your skills, this series has got you covered. In this video, we'll start with the basics, we'll explore what Angular is all about and why it's worth learning. We'll also take a closer look at its architecture, the core concepts such as modules, components, and services that makes Angular a robust framework for building modern web applications. But hey, don't worry if you have never worked with Angular before. I'll be right here to guide you with every step of the way. We'll set up our development environment, ensuring that you have everything you need to follow along with the tutorials. Throughout this series, we'll be building a real-world project showcasing various Angular features and the best practices. By the end of this video, you will have the confidence to take on your own Angular projects and unleash your creativity in building stunning web applications. Each video will provide you with clear explanations, practical examples, and tips and tricks to make your Angular development journey smooth and enjoyable. So if you are ready to level up your web development skills and unlock the potential of Angular 16, be sure to subscribe to Fulltechstack and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future episodes. Trust me, you won't have to miss what we have in store for you. Stay tuned for the next episode. Until then, happy coding. Thank you everyone.